Today, we will explore the journey of family healing by going deeper into the path of family bonds and connection. Because within these bonds, there are challenges in real life. The silent misunderstandings that linger after a hasty word. The generational gaps that stretch like vast canyons between old traditions and new ways. Or the relentless pressures of modern life that leave us yearning for a moment of peace. This video will guide you through the ancient Hawaiian practice of Ho'oponopono, a powerful tool not just for individual peace, but for nurturing harmony within families, transcending cultures and borders. Families are the tapestry of our lives, woven with threads of laughter, tears, and countless memories. Visualize a mother, her eyes weary from the day's toil, longing to bridge the gap with her teenage son, lost in the digital world. Picture a father, his hands rough from labor, striving to provide, yet feeling distant from the family he cherishes. In every home, there are unspoken words and unshed tears, dreams shared and dreams deferred. But amidst these challenges, there lies a universal truth, a truth as old as time itself. At the heart of every family, from the bustling streets of New York to the serene villages of Bali, is a deep, unwavering desire for love, understanding, and connection. It's the longing to be heard and to hear, to forgive and be forgiven, to embrace and be embraced. In the midst of our busy lives, in the chaos of our daily routines, this desire calls to us a beacon of hope. It reminds us that beyond the surface of every strained conversation, every weary glance, there is a bond that endures, a bond forged in love, nurtured in understanding, and strengthened in connection. So, as we navigate the complexities of family life, let us remember this. In every heart, there is a room for forgiveness. In every soul, a corner for understanding. And in every family, a limitless capacity for love. This is the essence of our shared humanity, the foundation of every home, in every corner of our beautiful, diverse world. Whether you're from the serene landscapes of Norway or the vibrant communities of Brazil, Ho'oponopono offers a path to deeper family bonds. Ho'oponopono, with its profound simplicity, offers 4 key phrases. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. These words are more than a mantra. They're a bridge to understanding and healing of any family conflicts. Imagine a typical family disagreement. Instead of letting frustration grow, one member pauses and says, "I'm sorry." This simple acknowledgement can open hearts. "Please forgive me" follows, fostering a space for reconciliation. "Thank you" acknowledges the love and effort each family member contributes. And "I love you." These words reaffirm the unbreakable bond of the family. Across cultures, these powerful Ho'oponopono phrases resonate. In the USA, where independence is valued, Ho'oponopono can strengthen emotional connections. In countries like Japan, where harmony is key, it aligns beautifully with familial respect. Whether it's a quiet moment after dinner in Germany or a morning ritual in India, Ho'oponopono can become a part of your family's unique rhythm. The beauty of Ho'oponopono lies in its adaptability. It's not about changing traditions. It's about enhancing them, bringing families closer in every culture. As we conclude, I invite you to bring Ho'oponopono into your family's life. Start small, perhaps with a shared moment of reflection. Let these words be the gentle healers of old wounds and the nurturers of new understanding. Remember, in every "I'm sorry" and "I love you," there's a world of healing. Embrace Ho'oponopono and watch your family's love and understanding flourish. At its heart, Ho'oponopono is about reconciliation and forgiveness, starting within ourselves. In this shared moment of reflection, let's start small within ourselves. Let us recite and experience the power of these 4 Ho'oponopono phrases together. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and repeat after me in silence or in soft spoken words. "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Again, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you." And again, "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you."